Samsung TV Code Search, a simplified guide.
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Samsung TV and understand the concept of Samsung TV Code Search. This feature can be a lifesaver when you're trying to set up or troubleshoot your remote. So let's jump right in.
What is Samsung TV Code Search?
Samsung TV Code Search is a feature found in many universal remotes designed to work with Samsung TVs. Instead of manually entering multiple codes to find the one that works with your TV, the code search function automates this process. Essentially, it's a way to scan for the right code that corresponds to your TV model.
Why is it useful?
Imagine this. You've just gotten a new universal remote, and you're faced with a long list of codes to try out. This can be time-consuming and frustrating. With the code search feature, the remote automatically cycles through all available codes until it finds the one that works with your Samsung TV. This not only saves time but reduces the possibility of human error.
How does it work?
1. Turn on your Samsung TV. 2. Point the remote at the TV. 3. Press and hold the Set or Setup button on your remote until the LED light flashes twice. 4. Enter a special sequence, often 991, that tells the remote you want to search for a code. 5. Press the Power button or Channel Up button repeatedly. The remote will cycle through codes. 6. Once the TV turns off, or the channel changes, stop pressing the button. 7. To lock in the code, press the Set or Setup button again. 8. Test the other buttons to ensure they work with your TV. It's worth noting that exact steps can vary depending on the remote model. Always refer to the user manual of your remote for the most accurate instructions. And there you have it. The Samsung TV Code Search is an efficient tool in making the setup of universal remotes a breeze. No more guessing or manual code entry. We hope this video has shed some light on this feature and will make your life a tad bit easier. Until next time, happy viewing!